Today, I will show you how to make a YouTube video compatible with the Honda Mobilio Series E from 2021. Okay, so now let's start the tutorial. Before we start, we may need the following materials. First, a flash disk or a USB. 2. We need a converter USB to a USB Type-C. Now, we need a phone with Android support of the USB Type-C. Okay, so now that we are done preparing the materials, now I'll explain all the 3 phases of this video. First phase, we will download a video from YouTube using savefrom.net. Now we're done with that, we will start the second phase, which is converting the file format from this file format to an MPEG file format so that it is compatible with the head unit. And finally, third phase, we will add the song or the video to the USB and plug it into the head unit so that you can hear the head unit. Okay, so now let's begin the tutorial for real. So now we'll start phase 1. Downloading the video from YouTube using savefrom.net. Let's start it. We'll go in your browser, any browser you would like. Then go in YouTube, type the name of the video. And now we will test the song. Now we select the link, copy all. And then we go in the browser again, paste the link, then we type SS right before the YouTube. We go into savefrom.net. Press download, then download. Go to File Manager, Downloads, find the song, test it. We will now convert the file format into an MPEG file so we can play it there. 3, 2, let's start it. Now we'll go in the Play Store, type Audio Video Factory, download it, then open, add video, select the video, and now check convert. You will check everything again, change the file to MPEG2. No thanks. Change the size to 4:3 640 times 480 or 3:2 720 times 480. And then we convert. Leave everything regularly. Do not edit them. When it's finished, go to File Manager, Videos, Format Factory, and make sure you have MX Player. You need MX Player to play this. with that done, we'll start phase 3, where we add it to the head unit. Connect the USB using a converter to the phone. Go to File Manager, Videos, Format Factory, copy it. Select, press copy. Now we go to the USB drive. Then we add the folder so it can be more sorted out and easy to find. Type the name. Now we go and find it. Want to see it? Tap it, of course, and paste. And that is it. Now with everything done, it can be played in the head unit. Once you plug the USB inside it, you can select the songs, all the songs. I hope this tutorial proved useful to you. Goodbye.
There's Angela come back home to play, but to go to space. This isn't your day, for the happy times time has begun to fade. What a sweet reality.